Howdy, Paper Army. I wanted to show you this because it's kind of important to know these things. You see the way this crashed hammerhead, because it hits the Star Destroyer and it crashed into it. Well, you can see that it's twisted. All right, what it was doing on this bamboo sticks is it was causing him to fall over. And that's why I put the guy wires onto this. And I used paper clips that are down in there, drilled in, and to here, so that these wires will never pull through the paper, no matter how long this thing tips over, because it won't go any further. You can see the Hammerhead Corvette. It is a very cool build, you guys. I had a lot of fun with this, and it took a long time to build. You're looking at, what, 6 months? Almost 400 hours. The turrets all work. Yeah, and it's fiber optically lit. It's got a lot of really cool features. Now, this up here, I'll show it to you. This is kind of cool. You see that down in there? That white thing? That is the light switch. And people watched me build this. That was so much fun. Making it so that it would work for eons. I don't know how many hundreds of years it'll work. It'll work for a lot. But anyway, there's the engines. Those are the coolest engines ever. And, of course, what have we got here? A battery box. 9 volt. And so anyway, I think what I should probably do right now is show you all with the lights off what this looks like. It is, I think, very cool. Oh, have I got the lights on? Or I turned them off? Oh, they're on. Okay. We got lights in there. Yep. All right. There are the clearance lights, port and starboard side. These are fiber optic guns. Let's take a look at the engines again. Now, the light switch and that grill work on those is all from a recycled lamp. A recycled little heater I had underneath my desk. And so, anyway, now let's go to the front of this thing. Oh, we got a little bit of light showing through there. Oh, well, that's okay. Those lights over there, yeah, they look good. And this light over here, landing gear down there. The bridge lights. Clearance lights up on top. Anyway, these are the cool things you can do with paper, you guys. It's just absolutely fantastic what you can do. Thank you all for joining my phone show and becoming paper engineers. Salute.